This is happening. It's a different concert from the other concerts that I've done kasi ito nga, we celebrate. This concert is celebrate different kinds of ano naisip ko na kinds of love na journeys. And we have new songs also.
Can you share po paano nag-start yung Matters?
Yeah,
Magkano
and
start
the
po siya?
concept and everything.
Well, nag-sit down lang kami, tapos parang inisip na ano bang ibang concept naman for Valentine's Day. Kasi usually as we celebrate is yung talagang love for each other, yung talagang puro love, 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 diba? Ito kahit love sa love ng nag-iisa ka lang, meron dyan, love ng meron ng iba yung love mo, ganun, meron din dyan. So iba-iba. Kumbaga we celebrate all types of love.
Mm.
But minsan pag gusto mo, ano ng Valentine concert, it's all about love lang, hanap ko ng special someone.
Magkakaroon po ba ng parang medyo storyline per se yung concert niya?
I think may mga songs pero syempre we do like scripts about it.
Mhm.
So, nasa tatay ko kanina lang.
Alright. Can you tell us a little bit about what kind of music will this be? Will this be more on covers or your originals, or a mix of both?
Well, sa mga concerts naman din, hindi mawawala yung mga covers
Mhm.
kasi importante din na that the people could relate to the songs.
Mhm.
And also, hindi din mawawala yung mga songs na minahal nila. Yung mga songs ko na minahal din yung audience.
Miss Leah, can you take us back to the time that you started? Sino po yung mga influences mo bilang isang singer?
Ako, Mariah, syempre.
Mhm.
Very Mariah. Tapos, Whitney Houston, yan si Alicia Keys, mga nag-start ko siya. And a lot more actually. Nung bata pa ako talaga, when my dad was teaching me how to sing, and then sila mga Matt Monroe, Julio Iglesias, sila Frank Sinatra. Kasi nung bata ako, kinakanta ko talaga mga kanila. Kasi bilang daddy ko ang nagturo sa akin, ang mga pinikit niya sa akin is mga panlalaki kanta. So, nagkaroon ako ng sarili kong freedom to choose the songs that I would like to sing. Doon na narinig ko na sila.
And then yung journey rin naman po, how you become a professional singer.
My journey, well, nagsimula ako kumakanta lang ako sa ng mga tita-tita, ganyan. Tapos, binabayaran na nila, binibigyan nila ako ng mga, mga tawag, ano tawag na,
Reward.
ganyan, para kumanta. Hindi ko alam, parang na-TF yung tawag ko tayo. Sabi ko, kakanta lang ako, may bayaran ako. So, doon na nag-start yung parang gusto ko na rin palang kumanta, bigyan ako ng mga regalo, ganyan. Tapos, eventually, sa mga schools, yan, kakanta ako. Diba, doon naman talaga namin nag-start schools. Tapos, singing contest, ganyan. Tapos, after that, parang may kumuha sa akin na to play with the band. High school pa siguro ako nagbanda.
Do you remember your first gig?
It was at Strums,
Mm.
Makati. Strums in Makati. Tapos, yun, na-enjoy ko na yung mga to sing live for everybody. Kasi iba yung feeling ng banda, live instruments, and all. So, doon na.
And then, kailan niyo po na-realize na you already made it? Yung parang narinig niyo na yung mga songs sa radio.
Nung first time ko narinig yung song ko on the radio, syempre hindi ko pa naman finila, I need it. Kasi narinig ko na yung song on the radio. Siguro yung time na nalaman ko na I was accepted as a singer and I made it as a singer in this industry was when I was receiving a lot of awards, a lot of recognitions. Syempre, hindi mo naman masasabi sa sarili mo na singer ka kung wala ka pa natatanggap na recognition from singer. So, especially nung nagkaroon ng 10 times platinum yung Manila. Yung talaga, okay, love talaga nila.
Christina, I also have seen a couple of videos online, specifically on YouTube, that you were able to also work with some of artists and producers in the US. Can you tell us a little bit about how that went?
Which one is this one?
Yes. There is.
Oh yeah. Well, I've collaborated with some composers in the US, and
Mhm.
then we made a few songs that we haven't released yet.
Mhm.
We're probably thinking of releasing it this year, but I'm really not keen on
Mm.
releasing it this year, but not yet soon enough
Mm.
because parang medyo happy. I don't think i-release. Pero baka meron dumating na something para malinis or maayos yung song and then we can release it.
Is this some sort of your pinch it in the international market? Is that what's gonna happen?
Not naman, I don't wanna say that I wanna delve into the
Mhm.
international. Pero lahat naman ng singers, they wanted to penetrate the international. Pero sa akin, I just wanna put out this song, make it internationally famous. I love that. I'm not, pushing this out to be an international sensation.
But how do you feel that when they were talking about you, medyo parang their jaws were dropped when they heard you sing in the studio,
In this one, sorry.
studios.
Well, they've heard all of my songs, they've
Mhm.
heard about me, and yun, probably when they heard me like sing live, yun
Mhm.
lang yung nagulat lang sila na magandang song. Dun sa both. Parang na ano lang, na-enjoy sila siguro dun sa akin.
So I believe the director of this concert is Direk Jan.
Direk
So
Jan.
is this your very first time na direct ni Direk Jan?
This is my third time to work with Direct Love.
So how is it?
Always a breeze. I'm working with Direct Love kasi he gives the artist the freedom, to do whatever they want to do, but yung creative side, like, direct ito gusto ko gawin, pero siya, pinapaganda lang niya lalo yung idea mo na sasabihin. So, hindi siya yung parang limited to parang, ito gusto ko gawin mo, ito gusto mo gawin. Ano gusto mo gawin? Ito gusto ko gawin din. So, maganda yung
Is he creating the concept or it's a collaboration?
He's part of the creation. Love it.
Taking on that view, are we expecting any guests with S
Wait.
on your concert?
Yes.
Guests.
Guests. So at the moment I have one guest and it's MMG. If you guys know MMG.
Prior to this concert, ano yung pinagkakabalan?
Well, a lot of bar shows, mga special concert, special shows. So yun lang naman basically, and some guesting. Of course, family.
So would you say this is your Valentine's concert again for after a few years din, di ba?
But last year I had a Valentine concert at in Sydney. Yes. After years, nag-concert ulit ako sa Sydney.
How do you differentiate between Love Matters sa mga other concerts?
Well, basically, Love Matters, yun nga, as I've said, na parang it celebrates all types of love, hindi lang siya yung parang, kasi usually sa mga concerts ko, iba-ibang klase, mga songs na um, I interpret. Ito naman, parang different kinds of love talaga. So, very different, very Valentine, and different.
And then yung collaboration niyo po with Heavenly Desserts. Ano ba siya nag-produce?
Well, Heavenly Desserts kasi I started singing with District 1 and then District 1 is also owned by Chef Jing. So, like, Chef Jing is really, Chef Jing really loves my songs and my music. And she wanted me to host a concert with me. That started like 2 years ago. She gave it my concert for a very long time. And yeah, the Valentine's concert in Cebu. And then dapat yung birthday concert ko last year, siya din yung nagawa kaso naunahan siya na ibang producer. Kaya hindi na nagawa.
Pagkasa lang po, sa mga original songs.
Kahit hindi last, okay.
Sa mga original song po ni Gibson, ano po yung hindi dapat mawawala every time you go concert?
Sa pagkakalam ko, I think it's Jealous, Someday, and syempre, hindi original La Moods, pero La Moods kailangan nandoon, Foolish Heart, I think, ano pa ba, Through the fire.
Pulish ka. Pulish ka.
Sige nga, sample. Like, sample.
Parang nagbibigay ng sample sa
Oo,
Miss Tina.
kailangan.
Mamaya si Miss Tina.
May dance move pa yan.
Yun. So, yung mga yun. I love you, goodbye. Pero, ganyan, di ba? Yung mga hindi natin.
Kasi naka-experience ka na ba na nag-proposal during your concert?
Madami. Dito international din, mas dito rin. So, madami kasi, most especially doon sa song na Love Moves in Mysterious. Kasi talaga parang, doon talaga yung pinakamagandang mag-propose kasi sabi talaga na hindi mo alam kung kailan dadating yung love. So, ito dumating na yung love, so I'd like to propose. Parang gano'n yung gusto nila palabasin always. Love Moves in Mysterious.
So hindi ka na magugulat na magkakaroon ng proposal?
Hindi, naiiyak lang ako. Minsan lang na emotion. Parang siya mag-propose.
Naghahanda na siya.
But how important to you is also family time?
Very, very important. That's why every Sunday I accept
Gigs
gigs. And during the week, when I don't have a gig, I spend most of the time
with them?
at home lang talaga ako dyan sa labas. At alim ko. Spend mo talaga wala talaga. Kasi pag may show ako talagang nakaano talaga ako.
Concentrate. Does your I suppose you also have your own band that performs with you. Do they understand that in some sense, the way that you do have to have time for your family?
Yes, of course. Kasi musicians din sila eh. So sila, they also understand that it's not about the work. They need to, reset, relax, and, be grounded to the help of the family.
Kasi of course, so most of the times, magkaka-gig ka is weekends.
Yeah,
Because that's
usually
where
weekends,
people have.
or people naman yung mga Sunday or
Alright.
Sina, ano po yung pwede niyo mag-advise sa mga aspiring singers na ina-idolize?
If they want to really, for the longevity of their career, yung siyempre talagang isipin nila. So, just be humble. Kasi if fame will really get to your head once you get it. Or isipin mo na, I made it, okay na ako. Ganun. Tapos, parang mawawala ka na ng respeto sa lahat, yung mga dating tumulong sa'yo, makakalimutan mo na. So, just be humble and remember all those people who helped you be where you are and surround yourself with the best people that you could lift you up.
And with the new generation performers or singers that we have right now, sino po yung parang gusto nyo makakollab or yung pinapakinggan nyo recently?
Wala naman ako actually pinapakinggan recently. Narinig ko lang siya, pero hindi yung siya constantly. Anong vocal about this particular singer, si Maki. Maki na nagaling na ako I don't know what's with him, but when I watched him live on TV for the first time, he sang his song live. Galing, hindi ko siya yung parang pang ano lang pala, pang studio lang pala. Live mo guys. And he sings also some covers.
Since si Maki po kasi is a songwriter, kayo din po ba parang na-expression na mag-write?
Yeah, meron ako mga sinulat na kanta sa mga albums ko. Hindi lang siya yung ganun yung pinush. Meron yung albums na nakasulat. Songs sa sinulat na.
Are there plans to have singles out soon?
Yeah, very soon, probably this year.
Ako question.
Yes,
Ah.
go ahead.
Kasi 10 times platinum. And that is already, siguro dapat you're aware. Alam mo yun na it's already unbeatable. Because ngayon, ano na yun eh, puro streaming na. So parang Mariah Carey, Taylor Swift, hindi na, ano na, you cannot compare. So what's the secret, you think, why mo na-achieve yung 10 times platinum? Sa dami ng diva, sa dami ng magagaling na Filipina singers also. So ano kaya ang secret ba't mo na-achieve yung 10 times platinum? Plus.
Siguro the realness of it. Like when I sang Nina live, it's who I am. I love singing live, and people really felt it siguro that it was very authentic. So when we came out with a Nina live album, narinig nila na parang tunog live, parang totoo talaga. So authentic talaga. Sobrang totoo, and it's really singing live. Yun siguro yun. Magiging totoo.
Alam ko siguro if I may add based on the observation,
Yes.
kasi siguro you've captured the market na hindi lang puro girls, puro Becky, diba? I think na-capture mo lahat. And siguro it helps yung mga gigs sa bars, yung exposure, yung
Kumbaga, hindi naman ako yung parang biglaan na.
Yeah.
Tagal na rin ako sa business and I do live for, I can't remember when. So, yun lang siguro. And I'm so, happy ako na hindi lang yung mga bets and mga members and whoever yung mga anak, at pati yung mga anak ng mga parents. Ngayon, alam na rin nila yung mga songs. So, I'd like to thank the parents for letting their children hear my album.
Yung Spotify mo kayo, what is your Spotify rank?
My
Spotify rank.
Iba-iba actually. Wala yung playlist. Playlist ko now, mala Ariana Grande. Very Ariana Grande ang playlist. Pero minsan may touch of like mga Christopher Cross, ganyan, sailing, iba-iba eh, iba-iba. Siguro talagang depende o depends on the feeling.
Are you expecting Ariana Grande cover?
Why not? Sa secret, if there is or there isn't.
But given a chance, may pili po kayo isang guest na gusto niyo bumili sa Elma.
Maraming, si Maki sana, no? Kasi bakit hindi siya Maki, madami pwede sila. Mr. Marky, mga